Have you ever struggled with the perfect color? The performance of every drop of pigment determines the final effect of the product. Then quickly find the secrets of world-class Pigment Additives tools to make colors more vivid and longer lasting. Pigment additives play a vital role in industrial and household coatings, inks, plastics, and high-end packaging. Our pigment additives make every drop of color come to life through excellent dispersion, stability, and durability. This is our core product after years of research and development, Pigment Additives. It has excellent dispersibility, enhanced color stability, and super compatibility to meet your different production needs. With just a small amount of addition, our pigment additives can be quickly integrated into the pigment system to ensure uniform color distribution, no agglomeration, no floating, and greatly improve product quality. After using our pigment additives, you will be surprised to find that the color is quickly and evenly distributed. The surface is smooth, and the effect is immediate. This is due to the molecular technology we use, which penetrates into the microstructure of the pigment, improves the color adhesion, ensures that each pigment can be evenly dispersed, and greatly extends the product life so that the color performance is always new. Whether it is an oil-based or water-based system, it can dissolve quickly, avoiding common precipitation and agglomeration. From R&D to production, we strictly follow international standards to ensure that every batch of additives reaches world-class quality. Whether it is home paint, industrial coatings, printing inks, or plastic products, our pigment additives can be perfectly adapted to make the color more vivid, lasting, and stable. Our pigment additives come from cutting-edge scientific research teams. After repeated experiments and optimization, we ensure that each product meets the highest quality standards. We insist on innovation and provide industry-leading pigment solutions to help customers achieve perfect color effects. Want to experience this world-class pigment additive? Contact us and let your production enter a new era of color. The secret of world-class pigment additives has been revealed. Now, let us become your best partner to improve product quality.